The Sidemount Pro's Sidemount Fundamentals course is 4 very full days covering the foundations of good sidemount diving. It all starts with the right equipment, correctly fitted and set up. We achieve this through 3 interconnected workshops covering your sidemount harness, cylinders and regulators. Every sidemount dive is a little different, and a few centimeters can make a big difference in your setup. All the skills, including the base sidemount diving skills and emergency drills, are demonstrated and practiced on land before putting them in the water. Here, donning and doffing your sidemount cylinders. Each hand has a role, and it's very important to use the correct hand for each step of the process. Effective propulsion techniques are demonstrated and learned before we hit the water. The team get lots of practice at setting up their equipment, here for our first shore dives at Kaiwi Lakes. Using a watch and then do process, course students are guided through their first course dive. Teamwork is emphasised. Here, Yoosuf signals his gas pressure while holding his trim and position in the water column. And this is Pete, back kicking like a boss. Notice he's correctly using the top of his fins. Here the team are holding a level, practicing relaxed static stability with a line reference. Now I'm demonstrating a valve drill, simulating a valve or first stage regulator failure. Returning to shore, I have the team observe while I demonstrate propulsion techniques. My trim here looks a little strange as I'm actually swimming up a sloping bottom as we move towards the shore. The shore diving section is done, and it's time to prepare for ocean boat diving with Northland Dive. We land drill the next day's skills. Another stunning Northland day gives us perfect conditions to dive from a rigid hull inflatable boat or rib. Here the team are donning their cylinders on the rib prior to entering the water. The bridge top of the Canterbury wreck makes for an excellent visual reference for us to practice our skills. One of the awesome aspects of sidemount diving is with practice you can be balanced in all orientations. The wreck provides some opportunities to test our buoyancy control and propulsion. Here the team have a crack at the Canterbury wreck bridge windows. We spend a lot of time swimming in sidemount, practicing trim and good fin technique. And the end of the dive always has at least a safety stop. Here the team holding at 6 meters. More drills, this time a solution to a loop bungee failure. I switch regulators to clear my right D-ring. And then using a pre-prepared loop of bungee, I reattach my cylinder. Another beautiful day, and the team prepare for the day's diving, setting up their cylinders, testing their gases and loading the boat. We come back to stability and trim often during the course. Yoosuf and Andy doing an out of gas drill. One of the team was diving a very light set of fins. I gave them a try to show that while not ideal, you can still dive them. And we make plenty of time for the team to have fun on this amazing wreck as they finish their course. Huge congratulations and thanks to Andy, Pete and Yoosuf for an awesome effort on the course. If you'd like to know more about Sidemount diving, check out my website www.sidemountpros.com, where you'll find more information on courses, Sidemount diving videos, podcast episodes from Speaking Sidemount, my ebook Sidemount Fundamentals, and much more.